demonstrating here today is how to release the dry pawl when the tool was ran and got stuck under flotation. There's a hole in the back of the dry pawl. You have to put the pin in the hole and then you lever it up. Free gear up so the tool can spin back down. We're fixing to do it on this unit right now. So we're now jammed against the flotation. In order to spin the tool back down to get off of this flotation, we gotta reverse the rotation on the gear. So we're gonna do that now by taking these two hydraulic hoses and flipping them, and then we're gonna engage the hook into the dry pawl where we can relieve it and rotate it back down. That's it.